Hey everybody, Dave here from Charest Studios. And I'm out in the studio, but I'm about to go in and cook some dinner. And tonight I'm making black bean burritos, vegan black bean burritos with microgreens. It's going to have black beans with spices, and we're going to have tomato, and we're going to have onion, avocado, and some microgreens. And probably a little bit of salsa or maybe some sriracha sauce. But anyway, I want to show you guys how I do this because it's so quick and easy and delicious, and I thought you guys might like to see how to do it. It's kind of like fast food at home. I mean, it's really, really easy, and it's very good. So let's go in and we'll get this going. So I have 1 can of black beans rinsed, and they're on low. I put in 1 teaspoon of, half teaspoon of oil. Let me just turn this down a little bit. And I'm going to put some cumin in, probably about at least a half teaspoon of cumin. I just kind of shake it in. And then what I like to do is I like to mash up the beans with a potato masher so they're kind of like refried. I like quite a bit of cumin. And I just mash this up, and I'm going to let this heat up while I'm prepping the other veggies. Okay, so I'm going to chop up a little bit of onion. I like it finely diced onion. So I'll do about this much. And what I'd like to do is just put all the fixings on a little plate or leave them right on the cutting board, and folks can help themselves when they build their burrito. I just put the beans on the burrito wrapper. I use a whole wheat wrap to wrap my burritos. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, I guess you can see this. That over there. Now we have these little tomatoes are from my hydroponic tomato plants. So sometimes if I had a little more, felt like doing a little more, I would make a salsa or something. But I think tonight I'm just going to do the chopped tomatoes, onion, microgreens, and avocado, and my mashed up bean mixture. Okay, I gotta go and stir my beans a little bit. So literally, in the time it takes you to heat up your beans, you can have everything else pretty much ready. Sorry if the camera angle ain't that great. I'm just kind of learning this stuff, you guys. I'll get better, just bear with me. But for now, the idea is the most important part is I wanted you guys to know how to make this, because it's a great, quick, and easy thing, and delicious. It's healthy. Plus, I'll show you how we harvest the microgreens, which I just use a pair of kitchen scissors really to cut them a little bit above the screen. Okay, so there's my avocado. Let me give you guys a view down here. So we got some avocado there. We have some onion and tomato here. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to get my wrap. Just really quickly, right over the open flame. About 30 seconds on each side. Basically, I just make myself a little line of, it usually takes about at least, like this was a can, and it's almost just enough for 1 burrito. So I like a big burrito. Okay, so there I got my beans on there. I got enough for a small burrito left there. But if my wife was coming home, I would have put in 2 cans. So we have some onion and some tomato, some avocado. Love avocado. You can tell this is going to be a messy meal, but they're the best ones, right? Okay. So now what's missing? Our sprouts. Let me go get the microgreens. Okay guys, so I have my burrito already here. I just need a little microgreens on there, which I have this big beautiful bunch of microgreens. This is a mixed, a salad mix burrito, microgreen salad mix. Todd seeds, of course. And I'm going to, I don't even have a tripod in here, so I'm going to try to do this so I can show you guys. But basically, I'm just going to cut these with my scissors right about here. And that's how I do it. And then I'm going to add them to my burrito. So I just kind of grab them by a handful how much I want. And I kind of clip them off right there. And that's it. Look at that. Now that's a healthy burrito. So let's take a look at this side. Anyway, that looks good enough to eat, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and dig into this, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone, and bon appetit and happy growing.